Oh, that's what we love to do, and that's our strength at the 739th. I mean, this the ribbon bridge, the float bridge, that's our strength, and we try to bridge as often as we can.
This is really why they joined, to be out here and raft people and do their mission.
I've been a boat operator pretty much the entire time I've been with the unit, and that's my strongest point. They got me in on boat ops very early in my career, and I enjoy it, and that's what I've stuck with. That's my strength. So. I mean, it's not necessarily hot out, but it's humid. We've had a lot of rain. We actually had to build in the rain the other day. So that's the challenge. It's just Mother Nature more than anything else. And but aside from that, I mean, the camaraderie and working with the guys and stuff, I mean, you tend to forget all that, especially after days like today when everything's went so good. Started off, we woke up at 3 o'clock this morning. Mission got a little bit delayed, but everything's went great so far. We built 2 rafts and longitudinally and conventionally rafted them across this lake and spent the better part of the day doing it. And we're continuing to do it as the sun begins to fall. So.
Honestly, it's been awesome. I can't ask for a better BCT or battalion to work under. I mean, it was almost like we were part of the 101st. They never treated us any different. They actually went out of their way to get what we needed to make sure the mission was accomplished.
I have great things to say about the 101st so far. Everything I've met, everybody out here has been a pleasure to work with.
Today we did sling load ops and then dropped 2 ramps and then MK2 or bridge direction boat out on Lake Kyle. Oh, it's a blast. Having a Chinook, a couple feet above your head. I mean, rotor wash going, everything going. I mean, gets your adrenaline pumping. There's nothing better than seeing the boats out there, the ramps, getting it all together, and this time it's nothing different, just that feeling of accomplishment, and it's good seeing the troops out there too.